Are you ready? You better be ready because we're going to create a stunning Wix site. We're going to create the website you want from scratch, and I'm going to make this course as fun as we can possibly make it. I'm going to be as high energy as possible. Do me a massive favor. You have lifetime access to this course. If anything's not covered by the course, just let me know in the Q&A section what you like to see or what you expected to see, and I respond within 24 hours. So this isn't just, a consume the course and I'm going to teach you everything, then you go away. It's very interactive. This is like a classroom, and we empower each other when we ask questions. So I'm going to help you create a Wix site from scratch. Now, Wix is pretty self-explanatory. They say that anybody can drag and drop, figure things out. But I'm going to give you some really good tips so that you can hone it in and make the best Wix site possible, make it stand out among the other sites, and compete with people who aren't using Wix. My main goal is to, help you use the tools on Wix to optimize it to get your desired result. Because you can make a good-looking website, but if you don't know the tips and tricks to get your desired result, all else is lost. And I'm going to help you learn everything from beginner to expert when it comes to the Wix platform. And again, one more time, if anything isn't covered, feel free to ask me. Your questions make me happy. I'm happy to answer them. I'm happy to be there for you. So let's continue and learn more about creating a beautiful, stunning Wix site.